everyone, and welcome to another how-to video. Today, User Guiding will show you how to make your Slack channel private. So, let's begin it. And yes, now you did your Slack channel private. So, as you see, understanding how to make your Slack channel private with User Guiding's guide is pretty easy. So now I will show how I created this easy guide with User Guiding. So now let's continue to watch. And now let's create this guide with User Guiding. For our first step, we can choose hero model and we can ask users like a cute questions like are you confused about making your Slack channel private? Let's write it. And yeah, it's done. And we can just put here like a cute GIF. Like this, and so with this cute GIF we can attract attentions of the users. And let's put this like, and we can write here like let's follow me and follow me. And yeah, it's done. Now we can save it. For our second step, we have to choose click element because we will click here. And let's delete here. And we can write here basically click here. And it's done, just save it. For our next step, we will click here and we will click on more. So again, we will choose click element. Let's click here. And let's write here click on more and save it. That's it. For our next step, we will click on more and we will click additional options from here. So again, we will choose click element and let's click here and delete it again. And yeah, let's write here like click here and save it. For our next step, we will click here and from here we will click change to private channel. So we will choose click element again and just select here. Yeah, let's delete it again and write here click here now. And yeah, save it. For our next step, we will click here and we will click change private. So we will choose click element again. And yeah, delete it. And we can write here like click here basically and save it. And for the next step, for the final step, we will click here and we will click change to private again. So we will choose click element again and choose here yes. And of course we are deleting here and writing here like click here lastly. And yeah, that's it, save it. And let's look when we click here. And yes, now our channel is private. So as you see, it just took my 5 minutes or less just creating this easy guide. So as you can understand, just creating guides with User Guiding is pretty easy. So that's it. And thanks for watching and see you soon on another how-to video. Bye!